Hello everybody, Kenneth Downey TV here. It's Kenneth out and about. Saturday morning. Today is February the 15th and I'm driving down Highway 55 towards Newport Beach. And so where am I going? I'm going to a model train show at the OC Fair. And it's going to be a blast. The reason why I'm going, I love HO trains and model trains. And this is this perfect spot where the OC Fair is every year during July and August. So I will be showing everything. So right now we're going down, I believe it's southbound or westbound. And we're on Highway 55. And we're going to be turning off here at Del Mar Fair Drive. See, we're south Newport Beach, and we're going to be turning down the exit very soon. So all of you who live in different states, this is Saturday, blue sky after the storms. We are going to go to a train show. Forget the camera from moving. Little bumps. Look at this guy. Look how he just cut in front of me like that. Do you love how he just drove? Are you kidding me? Wow. If I would have speeded up, that would have not been good. But you know, it's California. That's how some people drive. But yeah, you just let it go. All right, so we're going to be getting off here shortly. And we'll be right back. Remember, subscribe to my channel, Kenneth Downey TV. And hit the subscribe button, ring the bell. See you shortly. Okay, we arrived at the OC Fair Event Center. We're going to pay for parking. We'll be in here shortly. It's going to be a wonderful day. So remember, check out the other videos on my channel. I'm going to be putting up a Knott's Berry Farm, not Mary Farm, the next couple days. A lot of different things coming up. This is where they have the OC Fair. So we're going to go in and we'll be back shortly. Hey everybody. It's Kenneth here out and about with Kenneth Downey, Downey TV. We're at the OC Fair Center in Costa Mesa. And we're going to attend a train show today. I love model trains. That's something else I like to do. It's another hobby. I know I do a lot of Knott's Mary Farm or Berry Farm. What do I always see Mary Farm? Get it right. See, that's my Kinglish. That's always I always like to turn things around. But let's turn the camera around and just take a look. Everybody's in line for the train show. They have a marketing show over there today. This is like a redo vintage and what is it, Makers Market? They're having that today. So there's the hangar, and they're ready for the train show. So we're gonna go check it out, and I'm gonna get in line behind these guys, and we shall see you inside. Today is Saturday, it's the 15th. Shall we go? See you soon. Okay everybody, I'm back, Kenneth Downey TV. We've been in the train show. I found a Disney monorail train set. Now I put the video, you've probably seen it, it'll be up. But I'm gonna go walk around. Let's check out what they have to offer here. Okay everybody, we're in a train show right now. So we're gonna go check out. I found a Disney monorail train layout way in the back of the building. So I'm going to turn the camera around. So let's check this out. This is really cool. It's a monorail. Disneyland items. Look at this. They're pretty cool or what? Look at that. The monorails from Disney. Isn't this cool? Check that out. Look, they got all the different buildings from Disney. They have the monorail going. The 1964 monorail. So let's go over here. Aren't these cool? Check that out. I think that's so nice. This is so cool. Monorail track here, Disneyland Hotel. Isn't that cool or what? It stops. There's a hotel there. So it's the Disneyland monorail. It's a little bit smaller than HO. HO is 187. This is 190. But who cares, right? Check out the sets. You can buy your own monorail set. Look at these for $595. Whoa! There's one for $675. Check that out. And I guarantee you, later today, these will be sold out. So you can get yourself some monorail stuff. Awesome. Isn't that nice? I know I have mine. Oh yeah, I have it for my YouTube channel. Yes. Angela Downey TV. Oh yeah. Here's a 1 mile layout for $950. These are really, really cool. Look at this. You can buy the sets. If I get anything today, I should really, really pick up one of these. And I'm going to tell you what, everybody. If you don't get this in the next hour or so, these are going to be gone. You got a haunted mansion right there. Look at this. You got the buildings. This is a smaller monorail set. You got a monorail mug. My goodness. What do you think? You think I should pick up a set? This one's a sky blue marked monorail. Christmas 61 to 62. Look at that. Full tracks. Comes with everything. You can make a monorail system. This one is 62 to 70. Wow, these things are awesome. This one's really nice right here, Disneyland. Christmas 61, fall 62. There's one here from, wow. First generation had no fins or waste. Track is black and steel, permanent layout. Wow. So you can pick one of these up. I mean, of all the things that you could buy here at the train show, I think this is one of the things that you should pick up. Probably about, this one's really nice. Sky blue, I think the sky blue one's nice for $4.95. I mean, you should pick one of these up. I just think they're very, I like the hotel right here. You got the little guy going around. That's the 3-1 right there. And that's the track. You know, you're going to sell out on those. I'm thinking about getting one. I'm thinking about getting one. Because I know if I don't get it now, later it's going to be gone. Of all the things that you could buy at a train show, these will not lose its value. No. These are like basically nostalgic, vintage. They go up in price. Or you can get your money back for what you paid. Yeah. Yes. Oh yeah. Oh yes. So, I think I'm going to pick one up. I'll show you what I get. Be right back. Okay, we're at the line now. booth. We got a lot of trains, people checking out, a lot of kids here today. They have the Bachmann Spectrum. I have a lot of Bachmann trains. The Jingle Bell Express is really cool. We got this one, I got the Scout Elf Express. Is that pretty cool or what? The Christmas Express, Rail Chief. And check this one, they got one that's all American. Now I'm an HO guy. I mean the other skills are really cool too. Look at this one, it says candy cane. Look, this is just a rotary. This is just, look at it, says it. Claus coal mine. Look at the little elf. That's all like a little dandy card. So this is the Bachmann train. This is their booth. And over here they have a bunch of different new items here to track. The people. A lot of people here today. So here's your largest scale if you're in the large scale trains, which is really cool. And you got your end scale over here. The Bachmann's here. So let's take a look. So this is where they have the OC Fair. They have a lot of booths in here at the OC Fair. So the train show is almost, they have some booths in here. They have, let me show you what they have. They got pretzels here, they got lemonade. The California Grill is open if you want a breakfast burrito. So they have a lot of vendors here. So if you want to purchase some old trains, I have so many. And I look what they have to offer. I go, do I need another one? Yes and no. I might get another one, but I love looking at the trains. So let's continue. What I really like about this Pocket 3, nobody really knows you're recording. So check, you got the large scale trains here. So if you're in a large scale, these are really cool. Now I like all trains, but I stick to HO. I like HO scale. You got Walter's buildings here. All kinds of different things going on here. You can even buy jewelry. So if you're into train jewelry or anything, watches, they have books over here. These are the little buildings, these are N scale. This is the smaller scale compared to HO. Okay. We got a train layout right here. We've got Thomas the Train. We've got a little, check that out. Isn't that pretty cool or what? That's N scale right there. So let's go take a walk back here. Lots of people. Okay. Let's get through here. Some guys even selling Star Wars stuff over here. Excuse me. The lady just bumped me. Here's Tyco stuff. If you're in a Tyco, which I do have a lot of Tyco items. I do. So there's a lot of Tyco sets here that this table is selling. Bunch of different things. Let's go over here to a layout. Now this is a larger scale. This might be S scale. I'm not sure. They're setting it up. I don't see a sign saying what it is. They have more train layouts on the other side. We'll show you that. This might be a little larger than S scale. So let's take a look. Oh, it's O scale. It's O scale. So you want to check out O scale. Now the monorail trains, I did buy one. They're holding it for me back here. I did show this earlier. And they still have everything on the table. Hello. She sold me the monorail train set. Her and her husband. So now it's crowded. I'm glad I got down to where it was. Now look at this. This is really cool. Look at this. That's really cool. Lots of detail on this one. Lots of detail. And then I really like this layout over here. So let's go around this way. Let's check out these layouts here. Look at this. There's like a little square here. I think that was the only place where there was a bicycle. Look at that. There's a Bob's Big Boy right there. See the Bob's Big Boy? Now this layout is here every year. I did get it on video last year, but it's better with what I'm recording as of this year. I love the donut shop right there. They got a lot of detail in this train layout. The trolley car. You let me in. We got a train going on right here. We got the cows going over. We got a little Dairy Queen right there. Get yourself a cone or something. I'm just checking out something right there. Somebody having a picnic. They really did a fantastic job on this layout. So let's go on the other side. Let's work my way around this way. Okay. See if I can get in through here. Try not to run into anybody. So let's go this way. Where the kids are at.
A bicycle train.
Pretty cool or what? Look at that. Look at the little bicycle guy right there. Little bike. The bike looks around the building. Little bike. Little bicycle just going around a circle. Look at the buildings here. You got it's work to drive, why drive to work? Okay. Got a skyscraper right there. They really did an excellent job with this layout. I like the Patriot flag right there. Right here it says visit the zoo. I don't want to get too close. And it looks like somebody's having a suntan right there. Somebody's bathing. I guess on top of the building is the best place to go. We got guys climbing a building. Really cool setup. All right. There's another building, more train layouts. Just FYI, during the fair, the OC Fair, this place is packed with booths. It's nuts. But today it's empty. So let's go check out what's in this building. All right, which is really nice this year. They have a Thomas the Train for the kids, which I think is really nice. And they have a train layout here. Let's go check out this layout. Hello. I think we have a dinosaur there that just took out a train in his mouth. We got a building that's all smoked up right there. This has a lot of detail. Check out this one. This one has a helicopter in its mouth. This one's just on top of the building. And scale. Now, N scale is really cool too. They have a McDonald's over here. It's got a lot of different things going on. So let's walk around. A lot of detail. What I really like, he has a lake, a canoe in a lake. Okay, he's got horses over here. It's got like a, what's it? Marinas, he has pigs, everything. Yeah, tractors. He's got it all right here. So this one has a lot of good detail on it.
I don't know.
And he's doing some work right there. Here's an engine house. And you got a train coming right there.
Yeah, from here.
See?
Right about there. So right be there.
Lots of work into that layout. So let's go over here and check out this one. This one is HO scale, so I'm going to show you this. Let me start at the front. Sorry about that. Gotta watch out for people. So we're going to go check this one out. He's doing some work right there. Lots of detail. I like the little porch right there. Paint that one really nice. So I like how he has the ravines. He has the ravines here at the track, at the bridges. He's got like outbuildings there, which is really cool. I like how the little detail on that one right there. So let's walk around this way. Let's see what's over here. I'm going to show you the concrete wall. Okay. He has a Coca-Cola train set. It kind of reminds me, I have all those. Those are really nice. It's got a lot of good things going on up there. Lots of detail. Got something going on here. It looks like a little campfire with the little LEDs going on. Right there. They got it all set up. Okay, here is a Lego. Here's a group of Los Angeles. We got some Lego train going on there. So these are built out of Legos. So this is a Lego set. And the kids just love it. Lots of things going on. Lots of trains. So this is all Legos. And we're going to swing back over here. The Orange County Module Railroads Incorporated. This is the HO set I was showing earlier with all the different scenery. There's a train going on. So let's go around this way. Now there's lots of detail on this one. One on track, scenery. It's got a gas station there. I like the bridge over there. Now look right here. He has teepees in here and Indians. Or Native Americans, forgive me. Or it looks like buffalo. I'm not sure. But I think the detail is very, very good. The detail, the one hanging out right there, very good. of the gas station with the car. He's got a fountain over here. Got a church. He has lights that says casino. So if you want to go gamble, right there, you go gamble. Yeah, there's a lot of detail on this layout. Very nice layout. It looks like a tornado. Yeah, this guy's checking it out. That is a tornado in a town. Yeah, I know, it looks like it could be. That looks like they created this. They made an actual, look at that, tornado on an N scale train layout. Isn't that cool or what? And there's the cloud. I think that is so cool. And you know what's funny? It's going towards a trailer park. So ironic. I think that's really, really cool. Look at it's even moving this way. And then it's gonna go up. Like it's gonna dissipate. Wow. That was something else. Wow. Genius. Do you control that? That's automatic. That's really cool. No, that's okay. That's what I want to ask. Yeah. There you go. Yeah, he's telling me he's controlling the train right now. He's going to stop at a station over there. Yes. Thank you. So he's going to go over here. We got the train. This is N scale. Excuse me. He's going to go around this way. And look, I like this one here. They got a little tugboat in there. It's really nice. Be a harbor, huh? Okay. Oh yes, yes. Oh yes. There you go. Now some of these I've seen that they lit up, they turn a little bit to make it look authentic. But yeah, they got this thing really set up. I appreciate him for the information. This layout has a McDonald's. 15-cent hamburgers. Who wants a hamburger for 15 cents? Look, there's a Back to the Future. Look at that. Where's Doc? Where's Marty? I know somebody who would just go nuts if I showed that. Here he comes right here. Right there. Where's Marty? Where's Doc? Is Doc hanging over the train? You're right there, Back to the Future. And there it is, a DeLorean. There it goes. Right here. You have the different DeLoreans in there. Have it all. Right there, there's Biff's car, the DeLorean from the third one, there's the DeLorean from the second movie, Back to the Future, and there he is. He even has lights on the car. Isn't that cool or what? Very nice. Behind the States. You recognize that one, don't you? Very cool. They did an excellent job in this layout. Really good. And over here, you have Mater. In the Back to the Future, there it is again. You have cars over here. You got the Queen, Mater, and all them. Really cool. And over here, they have all the different. You got a Thomas the Train going on right there. You have two of them. A bunch of different things. Now check out this layout. Look at this one. This one was group first place, Salt Lake City, Utah. Look at the detail. This is Z scale. Okay. It's a lot smaller than HO, but look at that. They got the big ship. You got the dock here. You have the containers. I mean, you got a Pepsi truck. I mean, this thing is detailed out. Looks like there's water in there with the harbor. Look at this. This thing has everything. So let's take a walk around it. You got a windmill here. Look at the little hotel. The little hotel is pretty good. Even you got a car with lights on. You got like an old bandit town over here. Desert looks like. You got a camper with people hanging out. It looks like Walt Breaking Bad right there and Jesse. He knows. Oh yeah.
At the very beginning of the first episode.
The first episode
There's
right
Walt
there.
and his tidy whities.
So this guy incorporated Breaking Bad on this layout. Very good.
And there's Gus Fring's Volvo.
Oh yeah. Thank you. So he incorporated Breaking Bad on his layout. Isn't that cool? What? Check out the car inside. What is this? A getaway car? So this is. I really think that's cool. He did very well on that. Look at, they got him right here going around. Breaking Bad. He's got houses out here, big boy. So this is more out like the desert. Looks like maybe Texas or Utah. Because I see Salt Lake City sponsor on here. I don't think that's supposed to be there, but hey. And he's got a real cool airport right here. There's the jets going off. Yeah.
Sky.
And that's a little Pocket 3 video camera.
That's nice. I like that.
And then if you want, so if you want to go, hey, hi guys, hey, how you doing?
Ready?
And just do that, and go, hey, what's up? He loves my camera. Right? And then you go back. There you go.
Who makes that?
That's a DJI Pocket 3.
D what?
DJI.
Oh.
D.
The one that
DJI.
the drone.
DJI.
Yeah, I didn't know they had that.
Yeah. And it's a Pocket 3 Osmos Pocket 3 camera. And okay, I'm back. I talked to a gentleman who wanted to know about the camera. Hopefully I got it right. If I didn't, put it in the comments. That's okay. That's why I like for everybody to comment on the video. Remember, Kenneth Downey TV, and leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. If you're not a train person, well, I have other videos you can check out, but what the heck, since I'm here, check out the videos. I like this little truck right here. That's really cool. This looks like a Halloween setting. Doesn't it look like Halloween? Now this is Z-scale. Okay. And you got a little Halloween house there. But I think it's really good. I got the ghosts and everything. A lot of detail, a lot of little lights. Now Z-scale is very, very small. I prefer HL scale, but anything with model trains, hey, I'm all for it. This is so relaxing when you build buildings and put the scenery together and everything. It's very relaxing. Building a little miniature scenery. It's like you have purpose that you want to have a hobby. I like the people right here in the dock. That's pretty cool. So, I like it's got a forklift right there. I got the BP. It's got a little lighthouse here. So it looks like the water, the waves are coming in the way they did the waves. They have a dock right there. They have an inland little lagoon. I'm going to go check out the building across from there. It's like they got guys playing soccer. They got a soccer team here. Coca-Cola. You got a truck right there. Does this say Kroger? It says Kroger. And I like this. This house is pretty cool. That's really nice. So they did an excellent job in this layout. Get back to the future layout. See how that moved? That was pretty cool. There it is, Line Estates, Back to the Future. And when's Marty gonna come? There goes Marty and there goes Doc Brown. There's the horn there. You have the VW bus. You have this car. Line Estates. Back to the Future. I'm trying to make sure there it is right there. Look at this. It's like the OC Fair came in February. So if you get yourself a chicken fajitas, ribs, chicken kebabs, barbecue, bacon wrapped jalapenos, here you go. And these guys are serving it up. Check that out. Okay, this is the outside of the fairgrounds. That would be the Blue Gate over there. So this is February 15th, 2025. Just giving you a little how things are going to be. Wait till the fair comes and I'll show you the video. See you in July.